To find your IP address, you can follow these steps. Open a web browser on the device you want to find the IP address for example, computer, smartphone, or tablet. In the address bar of the web browser, type "What is my IP address?" and press enter. Alternatively, you can directly search for "What is my IP address" on a search engine. Several websites will provide you with your public IP address. These websites are specifically designed to display the IP address of the device you're using. Look for the displayed IP address on the web page. It is usually a sequence of numbers separated by dots, for example 192.168.0.1. Please note that the IP address you find using this method will be your public IP address, which is the address assigned to your router by your Internet Service Provider, ISP. If you need to find the local IP address of your device within your home network, the process may vary depending on the operating system you are using. If you like this video and would like more practical videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.